Hi everyone and welcome. Today my dad is going to be giving me an undercut. So that's gonna be fun. So basically I had an undercut before. I got it like junior year of high school and I had it up till the start of college where I then got too busy to go get like regular haircuts, so I decided to try growing out, which is what this is. This is it grown out. For reference, this is what it looks like now. I honestly hate it. It's really gross looking. So I've been growing it out since like December-ish, and I've basically decided that I hate having hair on the back of my head. There's really no purpose to it. So today my dad is going to be cutting my undercut. The reason my dad is going to be doing this is he's probably the best at using clippers in our household, so hopefully that goes well. My mom, I think, is going to be doing the sectioning and he's just going to be doing the clipping. I told my dad that if he screws up really badly, I'll probably just shave my head, you know, so let's hope it goes well. I'm guessing it'll go pretty well. Might not be perfect triangle shape, but you know, shouldn't be bad enough for me to shave my head. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so my mom just sectioned out my hair and this is what it looks like right now. Looks pretty good right now. My mom did a great job. Come on. My mom's taking off some of the length right now just to make it easier for my dad to buzz. Ooh, that sounds fun. This kind of scares me. I'm a little afraid.
My mother has scissors.
I know you're like the most generally competent person in the household for a lot of reasons, but like I'm still a little afraid. Look at that. And my shirt is absolutely covered in hair. Alright, so this is the hair after my mom just chopped off a bunch of the length. My dad's gonna go buzz it. I can't see it, but I'm sure it looks wacko.
You put a big hole in the middle, Amy.
Oh.
Notice that?
What? Is that hiding the accidental bald spot?
Wait do I get to it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. As long as I look consistently balding, it's okay. Hey guys, so it is the next day after my dad buzzed my undercut. Now I get to show you all the finished result. Okay, so here is the finished product. I honestly love it. I think it turned out really, really well. The shape is great. The length is a little bit longer than what I'm used to, but it's not bad. You can still kind of see this one spot where my mom cut it really tight with the scissors and makes me look a little bit bald, but after a couple days that'll look normal. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!